Welcome to TaxWeb. Whether you're a chartered accountant, company secretary, lawyer, or tax consultant, this video will show you exactly how to set up your website and manage it from your dashboard. Don't worry, everything here is simple and quick. No technical knowledge needed. If you can fill a form, you can do this. Let me start by showing you the registration process. You come to taxpractice.co. Let's say you're a chartered accountant and your firm is Akshay Khanna & Co. First, you choose your profession type, chartered accountant, and pick a color palette you like. All the templates instantly update to show your chosen color. We have hundreds of templates with over 2,000 visual variations. Pick a template that suits your tax firm's style and click. Use this template, you'll see a registration page. Enter your name, email, phone number, set a password, and click Create My Free Website. Now a setup page appears. Set up your website. Step 2 of 2. Your chosen template and profession are shown at the top. You can change either one if you like. Fill in your firm name, Akshay Khanna, and company. Your website address is automatically created, akshaykhana.taxpractice.co. Add your tagline, your services. We've pre-filled common services for your profession. Just edit as needed. Then your phone, email, WhatsApp number, city, and address. Click Create My Website. And that's it. Within 60 seconds, your website is live at akshaykhana.taxpractice.co, a complete professional website with 13 pages ready to share. And it's completely free to preview. You don't pay anything until you decide to go live. Now let me show you your dashboard, where you manage everything. This is your dashboard. On the left, you have a sidebar with 5 sections: activity, firm details, design, settings, and more from Practice Guru. I'll walk you through each one. But first, the overview page. At the top, you see your subscription status. Right now, it says Preview Mode. Below that, 4 quick stat boxes: inquiries received, blogs published, testimonials added, and your site status. Then your profile completeness score, a progress bar that tells you exactly how much of your website is filled in. It shows what's still pending, like add testimonials or upload gallery photos. Click any item and it takes you straight to that page. Think of it as your setup checklist. Below that, your website analytics, visitor count, page views, top pages, traffic sources, which will start populating once you activate your subscription. Then your QR code, ready to download for visiting cards and brochures. And a Share Your Website section with one-click sharing to WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. Everything you need right on one page. Now let's go through each sidebar section. Let's start with the activity section. This is where you track what's happening on your website, your leads, your visitors, and your content. Inquiries. This is your most important page. Every time a visitor fills the contact form on your website, it appears here: name, email, phone number, message, everything. And here's the best part: you also get an email notification the moment someone inquires, so you can respond fast and never miss a potential client. Read and unread status helps you stay organized. Analytics. See exactly who's visiting your website, how many page views, what devices they're using, where they're coming from, which pages are most popular, social sharing stats, even QR code scans. Pick your time period: 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days. This tells you whether your website is working for you. Blog, write, and publish your own articles. We've built a quick ad system with suggested topics, so you don't need to think about what to write. Just pick a topic, write your thoughts, publish. Every blog post is a new page that Google can find. And remember, this is on top of the automatic daily tax updates that TaxWeb publishes on your news page. Together, they make your website a content powerhouse. Testimonials. Add client reviews with star ratings. Under the new ICAI 13th edition guidelines, CAs can now display client names on their website. Add them here, toggle visibility, reorder. Simple. Next, firm details. This is where you tell the world who you are. Everything here directly appears on your website. Firm profile. Your firm name, tagline, about text, services list, address, phone, email, WhatsApp, your social media links, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, they show up as icons on your website. Your address automatically generates a Google map on your contact page. No embed code needed. Your logo, upload it once and it appears in the header, footer, favicon, and social sharing image. Everything you enter during registration, you can update anytime. Change your service, update your address, rewrite your about section. It reflects on your website instantly. No waiting, no delays. team members, add your partners, associates, staff. Upload their photos, set their designation, drag and drop to reorder. Your team page updates automatically. This gives your website a personal, trustworthy feel. Clients, showcase your key clients. Fully ICAI compliant. Industries, show which industries you specialize in. Manufacturing, IT, healthcare, real estate, whatever your strengths are. Careers, if you're hiring, add job openings here. Toggle the page on or off from website pages anytime. All of this is just filling in forms. No coding, no design work, fill in safe. Now the fun part, design. This is where you make your website look exactly the way you want. Template picker. Hundreds of templates, switch with one click, whole new look, same content. Nothing is lost. Try as many as you like until you find the perfect one. Appearance. Pick your color palette. We have 24 professional palettes. Light, dark, bold, minimal, every style. And when you upload your tax firm's logo, the system automatically generates 3 custom palettes based on your logo colors. That gives you over 2000 visual combinations. You can also choose fonts and toggle page animations, website pages, your navigation control. Your website comes with 13 pages. Don't need all of them? Toggle any page off. Want to change the order of your navigation menu? Drag and drop. You decide exactly what your visitors see. Gallery, upload your office photos, event photos, seminar pictures. Professional lightbox display on your website. Drag and drop to reorder. Hero image. Customize the main banner image on your homepage. You can set a single image, a carousel with multiple images, or upload your professional photo. 3 modes to choose from. The whole design section is visual. You see changes instantly, no waiting for a designer. Settings. This is where you fine-tune everything behind the scenes. Feature toggles. Turn the inquiry pop-up on or off. Show or hide the visitor counter. Enable the language translator. Show or hide the news ticker, the social sidebar. Each toggle is a simple on or off switch. You'll also see your custom domain set up here if you've added one as an add-on. SEO status. This shows your website's search engine health, meta tags, schema markup, sitemap, Google Analytics, Google Search Console, all managed automatically by TaxWeb. You don't need to understand any of this. We handle it. This page just shows you that everything is in place for your website to rank on Google. It also has pre-filled links to submit your website to directories like Google Business, JustDial, Suleka, IndiaMart, and Bing Places. Refer and earn. Share TaxWeb with fellow professionals. When they sign up and subscribe, both of you earn rewards. Your referral link and wallet balance are right here. And help and guides. A full help center right inside your dashboard. 15 sections covering everything, and every single dashboard page also has a floating help button with tips specific to that page. You're never stuck. And finally, more from Practice Guru. This section connects you to other tools and services from Practice Guru that can help you grow your tax practice further. That's your entire TaxWeb dashboard. Everything is fill and save, drag and drop, toggle on and off. No coding, no design skills, no technical knowledge. Your website updates instantly. Your tax news publishes automatically. Your inquiries come straight to your inbox. If you haven't signed up yet, visit taxpractice.co, pick a template, fill the form, and your website will be live in 60 seconds. Free to try. See you on TaxWeb.